What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. As you can see, it's been a long time, bruh. Been a long time. Lots changed. I probably ain't been on here in like a year, but I mean, I see y'all still watching, so I appreciate all y'all, man. Package. As you can see, we in a new location. I just got this package from Pro Styling Tools. You see the window, it's a nice view out there too. Palm trees, all that. Got this package from Pro Styling Tools, ordered on Black Friday for the low. The Wahl A Lign. I got these for kids cuts specifically. So we about to open this up and see what's cracking. They're supposed to be like the slim lines, as close as possible, I guess. I don't know. I ain't really watched no reviews on these. I seen it had a smaller blade though. So on Black Friday, did y'all go to 614 Barber Supply? 614 Barber Supply had a sale, and so did Pro Styling Tools. I usually go to Pro Styling Tools. They got a lot of deals. They always got a discount code. It just works for me. Oh yeah, look at that blade. I'm not sure if you can see it there well. This is the blade. Super small. Looks a lot like the slim lines in a way. So we're gonna try these boys out. I ain't got no kids today. We might try them out. We'll see. You see the blade. You see the clipper. We're gonna try these out today. The box. You got a T-shaped blade, a compact T. Blades adjust to zero gap, ergonomic, cordless, convenient. Don't say nothing about a runtime or anything like that. So we'll see. Anyways, what else is in the box? We got a charger. We don't have a what's it called? No mount, no standing mount, nothing like that. Guards, oil, zero gapper, and a brush. Let's see. Y'all read your manual. Read your manual, man. Read your manual. Clippers might last a little longer. Which one is in English though? Charging battery before trimmer is used for the first time. It should be charged 40 minutes to an hour. 3-hour run time. So that's cool, because I probably ain't gonna use it that much. Gotcha. We'll be back next time on Dragon Ball Z. No, I'm just playing. I'll see y'all in a minute though. These don't feel like they're sharp or nothing? No. After one day using these Wahl A Ligns, I actually do like them. You could use them every day, but me personally, I wouldn't. I would use these for kids cuts. You can use it for lineups. I use it for inside the chin area. In the video here, I was removing bulk. As you can see, it takes off bulk pretty well. It's a really nice trimmer. I like it a lot. It's great for lineups. It's great for kids cuts. It's pretty versatile. You can use it for almost anything. Right out of the box, it's sharp. You don't have to zero gap it. You can. I feel like it was pretty close. It was close enough. My clients didn't feel like it was cutting them. It was very comfortable, very easy to use. I do feel like the button is a little high on the trimmer. The button is a little high. I'm used to something a little lower down here. I guess because the detailer is just a little lower, but just takes some getting used to. But other than that, it's a really good trimmer. It definitely reminds me of the Slimline Pros by Andis, but I feel like this might have a little bit more power, but I really do like this blade on it. I like that it's small. I cut a lot of kids with really small foreheads, and I feel like this will do the job, and it's pretty sharp out the box, so it all makes sense. They're pretty lightweight, but they do have power once you turn them on. If you can see this blade is pretty small, so it works for all the kids with small hairlines. Now, what I was using for kids' hairlines was the regular T-blade. As you can see, the T-blade and the A-line blade are two completely different sizes. I mean, it's not drastically different, but you can tell that the A-line has a smaller blade on it. And then I have the T-wide, which is used for men haircuts. I prefer something smaller for kids cuts. I will say this is definitely worth it. If you got a chance to buy clippers from Pro Styling Tools, they had a Black Friday sale. These were $60. If you have not already, go to Pro Styling Tools and see what they have. They usually have a decent discount code and they got stuff on sale a lot of times. But as far as these trimmers, I do like them. Pretty solid. It feels good in the hand. Very lightweight. The A line is actually lighter than the detailer. So I like the detailer. I've been using the detailer for a while. These are more, however you say, ergonomic. They feel better in your hand, let's say that. But I will keep these in rotation. I do plan on getting the hi-viz. The hi-viz has a wider blade. I'm not really a fan of wider blades, just because I feel like sometimes it's a little too wide, but I will be getting those and I will be trying those out. That concludes this video. If you want to see anything different, let me know. Like, subscribe, share the video, comment. I will be in the comments responding. And let me know what y'all want to see next. Peace.